When I got admission in KSMU last year, I was excited कि कुछ दिनों में मेरी भी life ऐसी होगी. My college days were finally happening. I was elated for my new fresh start. But
coronavirus fucked me. Wanna know how? चलिए शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. Last year in September 2020, before NEET exam, I registered myself for admission in KSMU. My mind was made up. If I get good marks in NEET, I'll go to Indian college. If I get not so good marks in NEET, I'll go to abroad MBBS. Unfortunately, my marks was not enough to get a seat in India, so I went ahead with my abroad MBBS plan.
I got my admission letter and completed my entrance test, and on 11th of November 2020, I got a notification on my phone. Dear students, your class commences from today, but online.
And that's how my college life started on one random afternoon with almost zero excitement. Initially, I was happy about it. Now, you must be wondering, why would I be happy with online classes while missing out on my college life experience? Here's why. So in first semester, we were taught Latin, Russian language, philosophy, psychology, medicine history, Russian history, basically all the boring subjects. मैं खुश इस बात से था कि मुझे ये सारे boring lectures attend नहीं करने पड़ेंगे. But little did I know कि मेरी इस खुशी को गम में बदलने में बस कुछ ही दिन बचे हैं.
Days and months passed attending boring lectures.
As semester end approached and no news of offline classes, I went from this to this. And to amplify the problems, maximum students in my group were South Indians, and for some reason I couldn't connect with them, maybe because of the language barrier. Hence, I ended up making zero friends. With zero friends and continuous classes of non-medical subjects, I did not feel I was in med school even for once. मैं बहुत disappointing और sad feel करने लगा था. मैं डॉक्टर बनने जा रहा हूँ ऐसा मुझे कभी feel ही नहीं हुआ. But मेरे अंदर एक creative कीड़ा था जो मुझे बार-बार बोल रहा था कि उसे बाहर आना है. So to cure the boredom, I started this YouTube channel and made my first video.
So hello everyone, my name is Shamim aka Medico Human, currently studying medicine in Kazan State Medical University, Russia. Connect with me on this channel because I'll be documenting and sharing my experience and journey of being a med student in Russia.
I tried experimenting with my cinematic skills and made videos like this.
Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
Now finally I was happy. मैं खुश इस बात से था कि मैं अपने इमोशंस और फीलिंग्स को वीडियोस के थ्रू एक्सप्रेस कर सकता हूँ. ऐसे ही रोते गाते फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर निकल गया एंड इन February 2021 they started second semester and finally my college started teaching medical subjects. लाइफ में पहली बार ह्यूमरस और फीमर के अटैचमेंट्स पढ़ने के बाद मुझे पहली बार एहसास हुआ कि मैं डॉक्टर बनने जा रहा हूँ. Eventually I started studying and for anatomy I used to depend on TCML के YouTube videos lectures and for histology I watched random YouTube videos. और फिर एक दिन बाई चांस मेरे साथ वो हुआ जिसका मुझे day 1 से वेट था. I got a notification on my phone. You are added in Friends by Chance group. Gradually, I made some Hindi speaking friends. They are super chill and my type. चलिए मिलते हैं उनसे.
Hi guys,
Please
subscribe to
Medico Human.
तो इसी तरीके से हंसते खेलते और Zoom lectures पे सोते हुए we reached our final exams. We passed our final exams.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप?
I know हम सबने बहुत बुरे वक्त गुजारे हैं last year. If I'm being positive, I learned a lot over the last 1 year. I learned how to take care of my mental health. I learned how to handle my emotions. जब लोग मीलों दूर पैदल चलकर अपने घर जाना चाहते थे और रोड पर ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स की भीख मांग रहे थे, उस टाइम मैं अपने घर सोफा पे बैठ के आराम से चाय पी रहा था. All this made me feel grateful and privileged for what I have in my life. While on the other hand, whenever I entered a Zoom class, I felt that I missed a day where I could have made millions of memories with my friends, late night parties, roaming in campus for absolute no reason and traveling with them. दुख शायद इस बात का रहेगा कि अपने जिंदगी के कुछ सुनहरे सालों को Zoom मीटिंग्स पर बिताते देखा. However, exciting बात यह है कि बॉर्डर्स ओपन हो चुके हैं और हमारे मस्ती के दरवाजे भी. एक साल ऑनलाइन क्लास चली तो क्या, जब अपन लोग मिलेंगे अक्टूबर में तो इतना गर्दा उड़ाएंगे कि फर्स्ट ईयर का सारा गम फेड आउट हो जाएगा.
But as of now, I'm in my room alone talking to this camera with this ticket in my hand and feeling nostalgic. And to be honest, I don't know how I feel.
I think we could do it.